Everything about how we work with our school kids especially is so celebration oriented. So we celebrate with our kids every single day. I am an associate professor in the Humanities and Social Sciences department. That's a super cool, amazing blended department that has humanities, anthropology, sociology, psych, marriage and family therapy, and ABA, which is where I live. And I'm also, side job, the director of our clinic that we opened back in 2018 so that our students could gain their clinical experience hours to become certified as behavior analysts when they graduate. Our community has a great need. We're the kind of only provider of our type in a pretty big geographical area. And so our students get to work with children and families, children with disabilities, children with behavior problems, children with learning disabilities, and they implement treatment programs and get to see the kids that they work with improve kind of day after day, year after year. Tell me how you decided to go into ABA.
While I was finishing up my bachelor's degree, I took behavior modification, and you were my instructor.
So you externed for us when we were in our in-between space, right?
Yeah, that is true. I got to experience what I equate to what practitioners would be, like the environment that they would be in if they were doing a lot of in-home services. Mm-hmm. Now that we've been in the new clinic, wow, that's just been life-changing in terms of the experience that I've gotten, all of the skills that I'm learning and refining while I'm doing this thesis research project will 100% transfer into the real work after.
We've had some families that have been with us since the day we opened in 2018. Those families called me. I had a voicemail on my phone here before I even started work from a family who had heard that I was moving here. And they're like, there's nobody here, we need services, please tell me you're gonna, do something. And so before I even started work, the community was saying we need this support. To me, it all goes back to relationships. How do we help people form meaningful relationships with their children, with their extended family, with their community, and how do we approach that compassionately, humanely, not judgmentally? So as I help families do that, I learn from them too. Every time we graduate a family or every time a kid experiences a struggle or a growth, I learn from what I did, right? And so they shape us too. Every kid we interact with makes us better people. And I think that's what really it's gonna take, is for us all to always be seeking our better selves and able to accept that feedback and to accept what we get from our communities to help us do that.